Hello, you are specially welcome to a very interesting topic. This topic is mostly for poultry farmers who want to maximize their profit. You want to get the best from your poultry farming. You need to start with farm location and poultry construction. How to build a chicken cube at home. Easy do-it-yourself poultry house, step by step, beginners friendly. Are you a beginner? Do you want to go into poultry farming before the end of 2026? This video is for you. Are you already in poultry farming business and you know that your poultry house or poultry pen is not professionally constructed? Either you're using cage, you're using deep litter system, or you're using free range system. Once you are into poultry farming, you must use one method. Are you into battery cage system or you are into deep litter system? Know how to construct your poultry house so that it will look professional and your chickens will feel comfortable. Some farmers think that they can just construct anything and put their chickens there and they grow. One of my fans sent me a message of battery cage, do it yourself battery cage. He want to put his chickens. I know if he try that, broilers can never survive. No poultry chicken can survive there. I told him, please don't do that. Now, if you are among those people, watch this video. How to construct your poultry house, befitting one for your poultry chickens. Have you ever wanted to raise chickens at home but didn't know where to start? What if I told you that you can build strong, comfortable, and low-cost chicken cube using simple materials that are easy to find in your environment, in your locality, in your local market? Many beginners spend too much money buying expensive poultry houses. Some spend huge amount of money in building the house. At the end, they won't have money left to continue with the business. But today, I'm going to show you how to build your own chicken cube, step by step, even if you have never built anything before. Whether you are raising broilers, layers, turkeys, or local chickens, this simple do-it-yourself poultry house can help your chicken or your poultry birds in generally to live healthier, well protected, and growing fast. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to give you all the tips you need. I will also share common mistakes that can make your chicken cube unhealthy and reduce your best performance. Some poultry farmers don't even know that if the poultry house is not well constructed, the chickens will not grow. It's not only feed alone that grows chicken. Step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Step 1, choose the right location for your poultry pen, for your poultry house. Make sure wind does not blow water into the poultry house. So you know the location, you know how to face the front of your poultry pen. The first step is selecting a suitable location of your poultry house. Choose a dry area that does not flood during the rainy season, please. Very important. I've seen some farmers, after planting their chickens in the poultry house, erosion will flow inside and buy all the whole chicken there. You have seen it also. If you have not seen it, you have not witnessed it, you may have seen it in the social media where people post the videos. Your cube should receive good airflow, some sunlight during the daytime. Please avoid placing the cube directly under large trees where predators may hide and wipe off all your investment. If possible, position the front of the cube where it can receive the cool morning sun. This helps reduce moisture and keeps the environment healthier for the birds always. Remember, a good location can prevent many poultry diseases before they even start. Step 2, gather your materials. Wood posts, timbers, nets and screws, hammers, wire mesh and chicken mesh, roofing sheet, measurement tape, saw, and wood if you want to do it by yourself. Most times I can construct my own, either with metals or with wood within my environment. If I want a small where I can keep some birds, that's maybe selected birds, I do it myself also. You can also bring a carpenter to do it for you. If you are on tight budget, you can use recycled wood, bamboos, or other local available materials. This goal is to build a structure that is strong and well ventilated. Please don't worry about making it look fancy or look beautiful. Your chickens care more about comfort and safety than appearance. Step 3. Build the frames. Start by making the dimension of your poultry house. In this video, I will show you some of them also, don't worry. For a small backyard flock, up to 10 to 20 birds, a cube measuring about 3 meters by 2 meters is okay for them. If they are about 10 to 12, 3 meters sideways, 2 meters is okay. Just the size of a big table is okay for about 10 birds, 10 to 20 birds. Dig hole, then put the legs into the ground so that the wind will not blow it off. Nest the poles using timber to create a main frame. Make sure that the structure is level and stable, because if it's not level, once you put water in their drinker, that will slide one side and be pouring on this poultry house. Take your time during this stage because the entire cube depends on a solid foundation. Step 4. Install the walls and wire mesh. Wire mesh is very important to protect the birds from predators, flies, bears, and all that animals that can harm your poultry birds. After building the frame, attach wire mesh around the sides. Make sure it is well covered. The wire mesh allows fresh air to enter while keeping predators out of your poultry house, like snakes, reptiles, and others. Good ventilation is extremely important in poultry farm. Poor airflow can lead to heat stress, respiratory problems, and also slow growth. The cooler region or during the cooler or colder region, or during rainy season, you can cover part of the wire mesh with tarpaulin or leather bag while still allowing enough airflow into the pen. Make sure there is no opening that rats or snakes or any predator can enter. They are very dangerous. They can wipe off your poultry chickens in the night. Step 5. Add the roof. Make sure it is well roofed so that there will be no leakage at all. Now it is time to install the roof. Use roofing sheet. Aluminium roofing sheet is good because it reduces heat and it's more durable roofing material. Use any material you know that's very strong. The roof should extend slightly beyond the walls to prevent wind blowing water into the cube. A good roof keeps the birds dry and comfortable. Wet conditions inside the poultry cube can encourage disease outbreak like coccidiosis and increase mortality. Always ensure that the roof is securely fastened to withstand strong wind. Very important. Step 6. Prepare the floor. The floor is very important. Make sure the floor is very strong. If not, the chickens can dig hole and water can be coming up from the floor depending on your region. Some regions, water comes from the ground during the rainy season. Prepare the floor very well. You can use concrete if your budget can allow that. If not, raise wooden floor. Or if you are using cage, make sure the cage is above 6 inches or 8 inches above the floor. Spread wood shavings, rice husk, or dry sawdust on the floor. These beddings absorb moisture and keep environment cleaner. Replace wet beddings regularly. Anytime there is water on the floor, make sure you replace them immediately to avoid disease outbreak. Most farmers don't know that the diseases that they are fighting are inside their poultry house. Install feeders and drinkers all over your poultry house that will take the number of birds you are stocked. Common mistake to avoid, please. Mistake 1: stop building in a flooded area or flood prone zone. Poor ventilation is bad. Overcrowding birds is bad. Using weak materials is not good. Allowing predators easy access is not good. Neglecting regular cleaning in your poultry house is not good. Avoid all these mistakes. They will save your money and help your chickens stay healthier and productive. Please, if this video interests you, and you have gained something, please give it a thumb up, share this video to reach more poultry farmers. And if you have any question regarding this topic or anything I have not treated here, please drop it on the comment section. I don't want this video to exceed this length. That's why I'm rushing to finish it. You don't need a huge budget to start poultry farming. With proper planning and the right materials, you can build a safe and comfortable poultry house that supports healthier birds and faster growth with high profit. If you find this video interesting, let's know. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I release a video, you will get updated. Thank you. Leave your comment on the comment section and I will take it up from you. Bye for now.